Next up, we're with Gareth Barker from DSM. Gareth, tell us a little bit about what you do here.
Well, DSM Nutritional Products, we are the market leader in nutritional ingredients and nutritional solutions. And what we really do is strive to be very innovative in this arena to stay as market leader. So this year we've introduced some new ingredients and you see some of them on the stand here today. So if people want to come along and have a look, they're more than welcome to. For example, we have Elevida, which is olive polyphenol. Yeah, and it has a health claim as well. Very unusual to have a health claim for such a product. We also have Omega 60. It's a vegetarian source of omega-3, analogous to fish oil, but it's vegetarian and it's very competitively priced as well. That's something new we have this year. We also have natural zeaxanthin. That's carotenoid, very important in eye health as well, and we've just introduced that into our portfolio this year as well. So it's just some examples of what we do at DSM Nutritional Products to stay ahead of the pack and to help our customers and consumers.
It sounds fascinating. You mentioned staying ahead of the pack there. How else can you do that as a company? Because I'm sure there are other smaller businesses out there looking to grow. Maybe you don't want to give all your top tips away, but how do you stay ahead of the competition?
Yeah, it's not always that easy, yeah, because everybody, of course, wants to do the best for the companies, for the customers. But I mean, what we do, aside of innovation, we have a premix plants all over the world providing premixes for customers, which are customized blends. Whatever the customer wants, we can provide. That's one angle. And the other thing is, what we really do is try to sell solutions. These are based on the health benefit platforms. So a consumer is concerned about heart health. We can provide a solution for heart health by way of some ingredients going into that solution. There's bone health, eye health, you name it. So we really start to sell more solutions than ingredients, and that's something that we try to keep ahead of the other guys on as well.
And just remind us where we can find you in the main arena. You're in the main hall, the big hall.
Yes, so this is stand G6. As you come into the main hall, you're right in front of you.
There's a song to remind people about that. It's called G6, like a G6, like a G6.
I'm not going to sing that one.
It's quite catchy. Get down to G6 and come and see the gang.